Welcome to Saad Educare. This video I'm going to discuss about Venn diagram. Last episode we also discussed about Venn diagram, where is we are find out numbers odd and less than 40, and this video here is also two circle. One is red, another one is more than 4 sides, and we have to find out some value. Let's start. I already told here is two circle, one is red, another one is more than 4 sides, and here is some questions are like shapes are sorted into two sets. One set is red, another set is more than 4 sides. So our first question, number 1, how many shapes are red? Maximum students are making fault wrong. Here is two circle, but maximum students are usually write 23, but they forget these 52 also include this red circle, right? So we should make summation. So 23 plus 52, it will be 75, right? Next question, number 2, how many shapes have 4 or fewer sides? So look, red here is 75, okay, and this red also two part, one is 23, another one is 52. This 52 is also include more than 4 sides. So this 23 obviously fewer than 4 sides. So our answer is 23. Okay. So here is mentioned how many shapes are there all together. So all together here is 23 plus 52 plus 14. So it will be 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 4 is a 9, 2 plus 5 is a 7, 7 plus 1 is 8. So our answer is 89. Okay, so it's a very simple.